guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today I've come here with another dupe for a new palette in the market, and this is from Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette. Now this palette is beautiful to look at. I mean, the color story, the way it's like presented is just beautiful. But there were a few palettes that just popped into my mind as soon as I saw that. Now, if you guys do not know, the Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette is retailed at $58 and it has 10 shades in the palette, out of which 6 are shimmers and 4 are mattes. So we're going to dupe all the 10 shades from the palettes that I have in the collection. Let me just give you a gist. If you have the Tiny Marvels palette from Sydney Grace, if you have Nabla's Platinum palette, the Cutie palette, and if you guys have Sultry palette, you probably have most of the shades with you. So if you guys want to see which shade dupes which shade, then please keep on watching. I also wanted to mention another palette, and this is from Colourpop, and I really know that a lot of people already own this palette and you cannot find this now. This is the Hocus Pocus palette from Colourpop, which they released last year, and this is called Gather Round Sisters palette. According to the Melt Cosmetics swatches, this palette almost have all the shades. I mean, this green, this shimmer green, this on toast shade, this for the crease, this for the crease, this another shade. I mean, this is another shimmer. This was very close palette, and that's what came into my mind as soon as I saw those swatches on their website. Now, the story is completely different when I saw the swatches on Trendmood and on like YouTube from other people. The swatches are so deceiving for this palette, I must say. I mean, the swatches on the Melt Cosmetics website are totally different to the swatches that I'm seeing on other people's hand. I mean, and I am going with other people's hand and Trendmood just because I want to give you like the realistic approach of what you are going to get if you buy the palette, and if you're not going to buy the palette, what is it going to look onto your eyes. Now, so the shades that I have duped from the Mary Jane palette is what I have on my eyes, and the tutorial would be given at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that if you are interested to see how I created this eye look. So let's start. The first shade in the palette is called Mary Jane, which is being duped by the Tiny Marvels palette, and the shade name is called Firebuds. Now, I know that in the Mary Jane palette, this shade, most of the people said that it is very difficult to pick because it's more of like a topper shade, but this is the same shade that they are getting out of the swatch. But this particular shade from the Tiny Marvels palette is super soft and super like impactful. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. So that is duping the shade Mary Jane. And this is Firebuds from Sydney Grace Tiny Marvels palette. Let's move on to the next shade. The next shade is called Jasper, which is also being duped by the Tiny Marvels palette. And the shade name is called Walk-in Stick. And this is more of the dirty olive green brown shade. And this is what I am seeing actually when people are swatching it, and not like olive green as seen on their website. Look at that. Such a beautiful shade, man. Love this. And I'll give you a close-up at the end of the video with all the shades, like in the outside lighting too. Now the next shade in the palette is called Sweet Lucy, and this is being duped by Wet n Wild Call Me Sunshine palette. Now this is another very cheap palette from the drugstore, but the quality is absolutely amazing. And the shade that is duping that is this 8th shade from the palette. And this is more like an olive brown shimmer, I would say. I thought that this is going to be very easy to find in my collection, but no, not really. This is actually very similar to the Dirty Money shade from the Friendcation palette too. If you have that palette in your collection, you would get a similar look. So, and the shade that I was talking about is this one, the Dirty Money shade from the Friendcation palette. Now the next shade in the palette is called Bamba, which is being duped by this shade, Game Over from the Friendcation palette. I know you cannot find Friendcation palette right now, but if I can find it, I'll definitely link it for you guys. But if you guys have like a a black with like silver glitter running throughout it. I mean, yeah, that's what we are looking for. Yeah, I don't know how much you can see it on the camera, but I just packed it up a little more. Like that has like a ton of silver glitter running throughout it. And that is the shade Bamba, which has been duped by Game Over from the Friendcation palette. The next shade in the palette is called Sinsemilla, which has been duped by Tenebra from the Nabla's Platinum palette. So this is a deep brown, I would say. It's more of a blackened brown, very cool toned, as the whole palette screams to be. It's very soft shade, but it's more of like a blackened brown, I would say. You will see more of a black shade on the camera, but it is definitely more of a blackened brown. Let me show it to you in the pan. See, look at that. The next shade is called Santa Maria, which is also being duped by the Platinum palette, and the shade name is called Gem System, this shade. And this is what I have actually on my lid, like right in the center of my lid. It's very similar to this, but this is much more lighter and it's more of a gunmetal shade, I would say. Even when you're watching the picture of the palette, like the Mary Jane palette, you feel like you have like duplicates of so many shades, but when you get like swatches out of it, that's when you know like there is a slight difference, but not when you apply it on your eyes. That's what I feel. Like, yeah. Now the 7th shade in the palette is called Rubia, which is also being duped by the Nabla's Platinum palette, and this is the shade that I'm duping it with. And this is called Aristocracy. You can also dupe this shade by the Wet n Wild palette, and this is the shade that it will dupe with, the 10th shade in the palette. Very similar shades, and this is much more of like a warmer tone brown, I would say, from the palette. Aristocracy looks, which is duping the shade called Rubia. Much more like a neutral warm toned brown, I would say. Very necessary to blend these shades out. They basically do have only 2 transitioning shades, is what I feel, out of the whole palette. We'll come to the other transitioning shade later in the video. But yes, let's move on. The next shade is called Bow, and this is being duped by... Actually, you can actually dupe it with this palette also. The shade name is called Priceless. Or you can also dupe it by the Anastasia Sultry palette if you have, and the shade name is called Ember. And this is the shade that is duping the shade Bow. It's like an antique bronze shade in the palette, and this is a beautiful shimmer. I mean, that's the best shimmer that I really like out of the whole shimmer range that I am seeing. I also like this gunmetal shade and this one, but yes, definitely a fan of like antique bronzes. The next shade in the palette is called Mari, which is being duped by the shade called Birch, and this is the other transitioning shade that is in the palette. This is another like neutral warm tone brown shade that I really feel that you need for any cool tone palette, just to bring it back to the ground. You can hardly see that on my hand just because it's like a slight bit darker than my skin tone. That's it. So I'm just gonna swatch it here so that you can see it. So that's how Birch looks. I'll try to build this up a tiny little bit, but it's going to be very similar to my skin tone, just a tad bit darker, like that shade. And the last shade in the palette is called Kali, which is being duped by the shade called Pearl from the Sultry palette. Or if you're looking at the Wet n Wild palette, it would be the first shade in the Wet n Wild palette. So I'm just gonna swatch that. or any champagne highlighter would do the job. I mean, if you're looking for a dupe. And that's how everything looks. So that is gonna be the dupes for the Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette. And these are all the swatches that I created for you guys duping Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Now let's move on to the tutorial of this eye look.
Out of all the things to say to you, you're my girl and you should know that I love you more than anything, and I'll never let you go. 1,000 years could never change the way I feel about our love in this moment. Oh no, 'cause I will always love you from beginning till the end. And if I had the chance, I would do it all again. And I will never leave you, even in the tougher days. I'll just hold you tighter, 'cause baby, nothing's gonna change the way I feel about our love in this moment. This moment is our love forevermore. Love forevermore. And if you're miles and miles away from me, let me leave you with this word.
I really hope that this video was useful for you guys, and if I could save you a tiny little bit of money, and if you do have all these palettes, you do not need to go run buy the Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette. But if you are interested, thumbs up from me. Do whatever your mind says, what your heart says, follow your dreams. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Love